In the annals of history, few conflicts have been as enduring and as complex as the war in Gaza. It's a story that has spanned decades, a tapestry woven from threads of political, religious, and territorial disputes. Today, we delve into the chronicle of this long-standing conflict, tracing its roots and its progression. Our narrative begins in the mid-20th century in the aftermath of World War II. The creation of Israel in 1948 ignited the fuse of conflict. The Arab-Israeli war that immediately followed saw Israel expand its territory, leaving many Palestinians displaced. This displacement laid the groundwork for the formation of the Palestinian Liberation Organization in 1964, an entity committed to the establishment of an independent state of Palestine. The tension escalated into the Six-Day War of 1967, where Israel seized the Gaza Strip from Egypt. This event marked a significant turning point, transforming the Gaza Strip into a hotbed of tension and conflict that continues to this day. Fast forward to 2005, Israel unilaterally disengages from the Gaza Strip, pulling out its settlers and military, but maintaining control over the airspace, borders, and coastline. This move gives rise to Hamas, an Islamist political organization that wins the Palestinian legislative elections the following year. In 2014, the tensions exploded into a full-blown conflict. The 50-day war, known as Operation Protective Edge, saw Israel and Hamas locked in a deadly exchange of rocket fire and airstrikes. This war resulted in the tragic loss of lives and massive destruction in the Gaza Strip. The most recent escalation in 2023 saw a resurgence of violence, sparked by disputes over Jerusalem. The 11-day conflict led to the death of hundreds and left a trail of devastation. In summarizing this complex saga, several key points stand out. Firstly, the war in Gaza is rooted in a deep-seated territorial dispute, inflamed by religious and political tensions. Secondly, the conflict is characterized by periods of escalation and relative calm, each flare-up leaving behind a greater trail of destruction. Lastly, the war has had a profound impact on the people of Gaza, with the civilian population bearing the brunt of the devastation. This, in essence, is the saga of the Gaza War. It's a tale of a struggle for identity, for land and for peace. A story that continues to unfold, shaping and reshaping the geopolitical landscape of the Middle East. As observers, we can only hope for a future where dialogue replaces violence, and understanding supplants conflict. For now, the saga continues.